As we all know that we are living in the age of AI, right? It is time to break our old ideas about government contract and find a new way forward. That is why I prepared this presentation today. So, shall we begin? Let me briefly introduce about my company. Our service is called Proact, but our company name is the Client. So we are building a service to be your first government sales partner. And we have a big dream to analyze the global procurement data. Global means not only US, in the Asia area and Europe and the United Nations as well. So global procurement data and bring it all together in the one place. And we have great partners joining us on this journey. Actually, first it's OpenAI. Sam Altman has selected us as a collaboration partner for OpenAI. So we are also chosen by Google as one of the top 10 AI startups in the APEC region. In addition, we serve as the Korean representative for APNP Korea chapter. And last but not the least is that we are currently working with Northwestern Kellogg to research how AI is changing the world of the government contract. So now let's look at what teaming means in this federal contracting. Teaming is basically about the forming strategic partnerships to win contracts. In a team, there are usually the two roles, the sub and the prime. The sub provide the capabilities, the skills and technology. The prime provide the opportunity because based on their relationships and the experience. In the end, teaming is about working together for the success for both sides. So our service is designed for this soft and the primes, both. So as you know that, so soft really wanted to find the primes, and the prime wanted to find the soft and also primes both, because prime wanted to scale up their business, expand their business by using the partnership. So how do we find the prime then? When we teach the beginners, we usually explain the process in these four steps. First is about you need to find the right bid opportunities that which is fit to your company. Second thing is that you need to identify the government agencies that release those opportunities the most often. The third is about the prime. You need to find primes who have a relationship with those agencies. Here we define a relationship simply, it means a company that has won at least one contract with that agency before. So contract means that they have worked together. So this is the relationship. And the final step is that to narrow down that list down to a short list of companies that are the best fit for you. So this is the basic concept of the workflow. And how about the primes? True experts don't just start, they expand. We drive continuous growth into the new government sectors through strategic partnership. So primes also find out to leverage the incumbent partners and gain agencies insight, something new agencies, new government partners, or new industry. So the target the new partners, new agencies, and they work together, secure the contract and expand. So this is the primes that how they works. Now, this page is that today I really wanted to talk about. What is the most important part? How do we actually do this? You know what? In the conventional way, you are probably doing everything manually. You visit sites like a SAM.gov, FPDS, and DSBS to dig more information. Then you send cold emails and make cold calls to every single companies by one, right? If you have tried this, you know the struggle. It's so difficult. It is hard to find the good information about the primes and subs and reaching out to everyone is exhausting, very tiresome. Oh, I'm very tired now. That is why many of us rush to trade shows and conference to uh, and try and network quickly, meet in the person. People often say that, well, that is just the way it works. This is the only way. But in this age of AI, that excuse doesn't work anymore. It is time to break through the old habits. So by using the AI and the data, we can change this process completely and dramatically boost your productivities. This is why we are here. This is what we call AI-powered strong teaming. We need to disrupt the traditional workflow. First is about we use data-driven partner discovery. AI analyze the data and find the partner for you because we um, collected the past 5 years opportunity data and awarded data from the federal to the SLED. And the next is the intelligent shortlisting. The AI automatically create the shortlist of the companies with the highest potential. Then we can reach out to the hundreds or even thousands of potential partners on that list all at once, not one by one. This is the completion of the teaming AI agent. It means continuous, hand-free partnership generation. Let's imagine just for a moment. You do nothing, but the AI keeps building the new partnership for you in the background area. This is the new way of teaming in the age of AI. You don't have to follow up every single like offline exhibition and conference as well. That is also the one of the very good way. But now, how how can you use the AI? So this is the new way of the using leveraging the AI solution. So this is how we use the AI to turn teaming into a repeatable pipeline. It is about disrupting the old order and creating the new value. And ultimately, the goal is very simple to achieve the greater success in winning government contract. And we don't just talk, we deliver. We have already proven our method by facilitating countless successful teaming agreement as well. And we are doing it right now. So I just wanted to show you how we are making it. Let me show you how. Um, Let me show you the demo. Can you see the screen here? Our domain name is proact.team. It's very simple. So this is the page that team up with the government partners. So let me show you the demo. Just find my government partners. Just click here. Then you can just key in your company name. Very simple. So your company name is, let's make a NVIDIA. Yeah, everyone knows NVIDIA, right? Okay, let's put the nvidia.com and put your company website. Put your company website and put your company name here and press load opportunities. And it means that as I explained in the presentation that we'll find you the opportunity which is fit to you. So we first thing is we study about your company. NVIDIA invents and manufacture cutting edge GPU, right? GPU and AI computing platform. So you can check through all the description about your company. And if this is right information, then just press continue button. Then we will analyze your company description and the opportunities RFP information. So we will find out which opportunity is fit to your company. That is the first thing. So as you can see, we find out several opportunities here. High-speed power computer And if you want to check more details, then just click it. Then you can check the project background and scope of work here. And if you feel like, okay, this is what I interest, then press interest. And next thing, HPC workstation. Okay, if you think this is not interest, then just press the button, not interest. And extreme computing, oh, okay, this is what I really want. Then just check it, the details, and press interest. And if you find out at least one or two interesting part, then you can just move forward, complete setup. Then next thing is that we will using our AI to find you the right partners. So how to find the partners? As I mentioned, that we will outreach to the thousands of the potential partners. So we have to create a sequence to outreach to them. So create sequence means that we have identified the top 1,000 relevant opportunities based on your rating and select it. So let's find the agency and the suppliers here. So press the continue button. Then we will find out who is the agency you are looking for. So what you have selected the opportunities, which agency is issuing that opportunity the most. So Department of the Navy and the Air Force, the Army, we find the thousands of the partners here, right? Okay, there are a lot, right? Okay, I want to contact them. Then press next button. Then we will drafting your email here. So our AI will make the drafting the newsletter for your company. So if you feel like, okay, this is the right information to outreach to our potential partner, then just start sequence. That's all. Then everything done. Then you have to sign up here, and you can just find out the our website, and our AI will work on it. Okay. This is our admin page. I just wanted to show you the sample of how we are outreaching to the potential partners. So this is one of our clients, the Stars Tech. We have sent thousands of the potential partners. So you can check in real time our service send the outreach to the which kind of potential partners. So we send to the thousands of the potential partners here, the football enterprise and the hangar for service. So if you are interested, just click it. Then you can check the detailed information of this company name, companies, the football enterprise, the contact information, and this company summarize. And you can just find out what kind of set of sites they have, and what kind of contract they have won before. And you also can check the past audit of their data, and the naked code from how much they won, and every single naked code, and the pieces code. So if you feel like this is your interest, then press the add to partners. So this is simply, you can check every single partner here. So you can check who sent it and who opened it. The 241 company open your email, and who click it. Who clicked to your company just URL, and who replied to ask for the meeting. And then you can check, okay, these three companies have asked for the meeting with you. Then you can just select that if you wanted to have a meeting with this company, then just press it. Then you can check, okay, this helping hand consultant is also one of the doing very well in this federal market. Then just add to the partners. And finally, one meeting arranged, then Aviate Enterprise has meeting with our client. So you can check every single thing here. So Aviate Enterprise is this kind of companies, and they have awarded 700 awards in this federal market. And monthly, quarterly, yearly, they won a lot. And also you can check that they are every single nice code, which industry they are doing well. So this is our service, that how to outreaching to the potential partners, and then how to check their information. Then what you need to do is that just prepare the meeting. That's all. So this is the end of our presentation and the demo as well. So just feel free to ask me if you have any question. Thank you so much. John, do you have any further questions?
Yeah, since we're dealing with government contracts, obviously I have concerns over cybersecurity. And while the data may not be used for training, is it in the public domain? Because I can do a search today on what Intuitive Machines was searching for on ChatGPT today, and it has a full transcript. I mean, even though the data is not used for training, it is in the public domain, and I can go access that data. That would be a concern for me, especially with pursuit of government contracts. So how do you deal with that? And then also the CMMC requirements for DoD contractors.
Okay, that's very good question. That actually there will be the two different ways. First thing is about the opportunity data, and the other thing about the company data. First, about opportunity data. This opportunity data is on the public area. As we mentioned, every single government, SAM.gov, FPDS, and every state in the website, they open the data. So this is the public data. Anyone can use it. And also the AI can learn about this kind of opportunity data. So this one is the open data, so anyone can use it. But second thing is about company data. Company data has to be very secure. And then no one has some just have the things to use it. But how we secure the data is that we are using the AWS Gov. It's based on the AWS US Gov, the cloud base. So we keep the data inside of our cloud service. So we are not using this data to the outside area. But how we collected this data is that we collect it from the government agencies. And second thing is the website, your company website. That's all. So we are not using any data of internal data of the companies. That is how we are dealing the data.
So let's say I start working on development of a proposal with ABC company, and I want to continue to use AI to help craft the structure of that agreement. Is that data in the public domain, or is that secured on a private network that only we have access to?
That is only the private network, only you have to access to. That's the answer.
And what's a normal amount of storage space that you allocate for a given user for that type of activity?
I just wanted to make it clear that our service is not creating the proposal. Our service is matching the partners. So we are using the AI to study about your companies and other potential partners to match together to create the proposal together. So we are not just editing tools to creating the proposal, but we support to matching with the right partners. So that is our tools. Is it
okay? So then I'm gonna take the partners, and I'm gonna go to another AI tool to start working out the contract details and the potentials and things like that. So I've got to have another secure environment to do that part.
Actually, we provide all the contract details and the potential and also the teaming, teaming opportunities, which your company and other potential companies can do together. So we just find out the winning rate, which opportunities and which partners can make the highest rate of the winning opportunities. So that is how we are doing. And actually, for the compliance checklist and the proposal writing, is that if you are weak of that part, then we'll find out you the strong company which is the strong in the proposal writing area. So you can collaborate with that partner to let them to write the proposal, and you can just provide your service and the product as well.
And what agencies are you accessing? For example, we build reusable rockets. Are you into the solicitations that are coming out from NASA and Defense Innovation Unit and the DoD components and the Coast Guard and NOAA? Kind of where do you reside?
We have all the federal government agencies, and even we also have a South Korea, some U.S. Army agencies we are dealing with. So we also can, because we have a data from the SAM.gov and FPDS. They have all the data from the federal government agencies.
Okay, what about non-federal government agencies, such as if public companies have a call, whether it's Southwest Research Labs, some of the large institutions like that are putting out solicitations and calls? Do you have access to those, or is that separate?
Actually, in the private sector of the companies, we don't have any access on that part. But we currently have data in the California area. So in the California area, state, we have a state data and the local data and the education data. But the private sectors, definitely we don't have now.
Okay. Thank you.
Great. Thank you so much, Sean. Anyone has some more questions then? Okay. Today I have shown you our demo, and actually Patrick shared our demo link here. So just please sign up, and we will find out you the right partner from now on, right now on. So we have currently we also have a potential some partners in the federal and the state area, both side area, and even we are also to have a South Korea area to find out the U.S. Army in the South Korea area. So you can collaborate with the South Korea U.S. Army, some local partners here. So just feel free to sign up here. Then we will definitely keep in touch with you guys.
Yeah, what are the expected ongoing costs of the program? Do you have different levels?
Cost of the program is that after we arrange the meeting, then you can pay out the $300 per month. But before nothing happened, you don't have to pay anything.
Okay.
It's fair, right?
I think so.
And can you speak about how secure the OpenAI Enterprise Edition is? Okay, OpenAI. I just want to talk about the OpenAI and the A. Do you know Azure? Azure. The Microsoft cloud is Azure, and the Azure, the inside of the Azure, they have an OpenAI API that is secure. They protect everything in the cloud. But if you're using just ChatGPT, yeah, of course, OpenAI announced that they will keep protect all the data, but nobody knows. Yeah, but it's very difficult to answer because I'm not the OpenAI. I'm the partner with OpenAI. But I can say with confidence that if you are using the cloud, Microsoft Azure, and in the Azure, if you are using the OpenAI API, the token, then that is safe. That one I can say with confidence. But OpenAI Enterprise, I'm not sure. But they mentioned like they are protecting the data. We don't have used Power AI, but only GCC high. No, if you mean some enterprise level, then also we can provide you like a install version of the AI, like open source of the AI, like Llama from the Meta. So that is open source. So you can just install in your company or the schools to protect all the data by yourself. So that one, if you're interested in it, then let's talk in some in others like a separate meeting. How frequently do we need to run the query to Finn's prime partners? Oh, yeah. You need to do just twice a week. But if you wanted to do more, then just pay. Then you can just try to outreach to the partners in the more than the 2 times. But if you don't do anything, then we also don't do anything. Just select the opportunities and send the outreach, then that's all, which I have shown you in the demonstration of our service. Just select the opportunity and press send button. That's all. Then our AI will find out the thousands of the partners and arrange the meeting for you. Okay. Okay. Actually, thank you so much for joining today. And then after this, finishing the webinar, Kim, okay.
Hi, Junho. Actually, I had a question that I left in the chat. So I was wondering how frequently do we have to run the query to find prime partners? And then a follow-up question was, do you also help us connect with subprime partners in case prime partners are hard to reach or hard to connect?
Do we have to run the query to find prime partners? Yeah. It depends on it depends on you, but I recommend to frequently you have to reach out to the partners as many as you can. I think that's the best thing you need to try out. And then our service is find out the prime and the solve both. And if you wanted to find out the prime more, then just make let us know. Then we will find out the prime more to you, because prime and solve, the difference means that prime have more experience and solve have less experience, but they have the skills and the product, qualified product. So we will find out you depends on your requirement and depends on your frequency. So just my recommendation is that at least a week, once a week, just make a sequence in our service. Then we will provide at least one meeting for you. So every week, you can make new opportunities, the meeting with the potential partners. Okay. Thank you so much. And then let's keep in touch. And then our team Patrick will send out the email for you guys to, if you don't have a chance to just find out our website, service site. So our Patrick will make you some guide of some information about our service. And let's keep in touch. What I can promise you that we will make a the meeting for you guys all by using the AI and data. Thank you so much and have a nice day.